Hello everyone, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your weekly reading 6 to 12 July for business, career and money. So we'll start off with Aries. So I've already shuffled these cards. I'll pick up 3 cards and we'll see how is your week, Aries. King of Pentacles, 3 of Cups, and there's a star card, beautiful card. So I feel you are this week with King of Pentacles card, some of you have been working on a money situation in a very dedicated way, in a very with lot of focus, with lot of dedication. You have a strong, your personality, your confidence is high, and very hard work, focused work so that you can grow your money, or you're working towards that job or business. This is one of the best card one could have, Aries, to move forward with either the job or the business situation here. Feeling powerful, feeling confident, that is like that the king power, pentacles. Pentacle card is the card of earning money, so to be rich. So some of you may be like investing in stock market, or you could have investments from farming coming, or real estate. So King of Pentacle card also is about working on those aspects and earning money. Now with 3 of Cups, for some of you there is a partnership deal that has gone through, or there is a news that it's going through, so there is a celebration. Or maybe some of you might have got a job offer. So there is, this card talks about celebration. So and also it could be that there could be a news, maybe interview for some of you, and you could be feeling like celebrating this because you have been waiting for quite few days for this interview to happen. Now this is the star card. Some of you are wishing something. There is like you have a wish. And it's a wish that you have been having for quite some time from your recent past, and it's like you want like with the wish card. I think this wish that some of you have, you will get one after the Mercury retrograde. So Mercury goes forward from 13th of July. So many things have been in the back burner because of this retrograde. Mercury is the planet of communication, so it's I think this wish will come forward in the coming week. But there is a wish that you are it's going to get real for you, for some of you here. So just let me clarify the wish card, Aries. Also, I feel with this 3 of Cups card, you will be meeting lot of like-minded people for partnership and business. This is what I get, that feeling that maybe some of you may be traveling to regarding your business or work situation. So let me just clarify the wish card. Okay, so this wish is about certain partnership. Yeah, so some of you are waiting for a partnership or a deal to happen, which shows that, and I think so it is coming through this week for some of you. So overall you have a good week, Aries, wherein you're trying to hard work like the King of Pentacles. You show very much focused and dedicated and strong, and certain partnership coming, for some job offers coming, for some there is interviews, and some of you having a wish fulfillment. So I think this is with King of Pentacles also card some money coming in for some of you. So all the best, have a great week, and thank you.